What's up guys, we are with the ISF today. I'm going to be putting on a roof spoiler. So I got to clean it up first. There is some like old 3M tape that is stuck on the back. So I'm going to try to remove that and then put some new 3M tape on and install it. So let's get started. There's some old 3M tape that I need to take off right here. It's a lot. But I just got some glue gun. I'm gonna let it sit on the 3M tape for about 5 minutes, and then found this in the garage. It's like a little drywall knife, that's what it says. And then I'm gonna try to like scrape it off. Yeah, the sky is. I'm not supposed to be outside right now because it's the smoke from the wildfires and stuff down south. The sky is just super smoky and gray. And just like being outside, you can smell the smoke as well. But yeah, I'm gonna bring it inside the garage and start working on it in there. So I got the spoiler here. I'm just gonna start spraying the glue gun on there and then just letting it soak for a bit. See, it is all saturated. Time to let it soak. So I've got a old microfiber towel that I'm gonna be just trying to wipe away the old 3M tape, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna use that little blade tool thing.
Tired of scrubbing and breaking your back to clean that mess?
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Edge of Glory.
After some trial and error, I just did it this way. If you pull up a little tab and you just pull towards you instead of pulling like this way, it'll work a little bit better. So after doing it for about hour and a half, got most of it off. There's still a bit like right here, just a bit right here. And just gonna continue it tomorrow, and then hopefully I'll be able to make it a bit more cleaner, and then lay on some 3M tape or double-sided tape, and then we'll be able to finally install it on the car. What's up guys, so we are back in the garage today because the air quality is super bad outside, and we are going to continue working on the spoiler, taking off the old 3M tape. Already all done. Took off most of the excess double-sided tape. Now I'm just gonna let it soak in some more glue gun for a bit more, and then hopefully the existing stuff will rub off, or the residue will rub off. This was all the tape that was on the roof spoiler. It's a nice little chunk. So just checking back in. Been kind of cycling between the glue gun and then like rubbing it with the paper towel about 3 or 4 times now, and it got most of the residue off. It's looking pretty rough. Most of it's gone by now. Just gonna rub it maybe like 1 or 2 more times, and then that should be done with that. So finally done. Removed most of the residue. It looks pretty rough right now, but there's no more tape or tape residue on there. I'm going to spray it down with some degreaser just to remove any oil or anything like that before I apply the double-sided tape, and then we can finally install this bad boy. So I have like this much double-sided tape left. I don't know if it's gonna be enough. It should be enough, right? But I guess we'll see. So I've got like a hairdryer. I'm gonna heat up the double-sided tape just to get the adhesive activated, and then take off the backing, and then we'll see how it looks. So just a quick update on this roof spoiler. I put it on there, and it just kind of it was lifting on the sides of it, so I just kind of heated it up again, and then put some weight on it to just try and keep it down.
Appears to be just a little bit ghetto to me. A little bit ghetto, you know.
I don't know. It's probably gonna pop back up again, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep it overnight and see what happens. In the meantime, while that roof spoiler is kind of getting pushed down or setting, I'm going to install this license plate relocator that just came in as well. So right now I've got it hooked on by zip ties, which is not ideal. So I'm gonna install this license plate relocator and see how it goes. So even with this little spacer on there, it's still not giving me enough clearance to clear the bumper, or the license plate holder to clear the bumper. So I'm gonna have to come up with a way to try and add on another spacer, I guess, to see if I can pull it out maybe another inch or two, and that would give me enough clearance for the license plate to not hit up against the bumper. So we'll see what I can do. So I found a bunch of these rubber washers. I'm just gonna cut a hole in it to fit around this head, and then should be enough clearance for me to put on the license plate holder. So that's that. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work now. So this is what we're working with here. There's like a tiny gap between this piece and the bumper, and I just know that if I go over any bumps or anything, this thing is gonna just hit against the bumper. So I need to figure out a way to extend this piece out just a little bit more, and then still having enough thread for it to screw on and onto the little bolt thing. So back to the drawing board, I guess. So I think I figured out just the workaround. I'm going to be putting, where is it? Where'd it go? What the hell? So I'm just going to be putting a piece of rubber on this corner, just so it doesn't make contact with the car, and then that should kind of be good once I go over bumps or anything, so it doesn't scratch the paint. So as you can see, the rubber is right here.
Oh, it's so ghetto.
And then put some Loctite on the threads for this screw, and then gonna start putting on this plate right here. There we go, all done. Nice and sturdy, I guess. What's up, guys? So we are back. It's like the third day or something that I let the spoiler sit, and it's finally the double-sided tape is finally stuck onto the window. So I guess the true test is to see if the double-sided tape will last through a car wash. But I'll give you a quick look at it. So I don't even know if like I'm supposed to have a gap here or not, but there was no way the double-sided tape could even stick. There's like nothing for it to stick onto, so I'm guessing it has to have a gap there. But yeah, this is it. And obviously I'm gonna wash it maybe tomorrow or something like that, and we'll see if it actually stays on. I'm still not sure whether I like it or not. It's different than the roof spoilers that I usually have, but yeah, see if it stays on. If it does, I'll keep it. If it doesn't, then obviously it's gonna not get put back on again. But yep, just a quick video installing the roof spoiler. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.
Sash.